Hello everyone, it's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. Today I am going to be showing you how to make a small crochet star. This is going to measure about 2 inches, and if you need a bigger star you can use double crochets, half double crochets, but I'm going to show you how to make this small one. So the first thing we're starting with here is a magic circle or a magic ring. And I do have a video on how to do this, but we are going to start our magic circle with a chain 2, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put 9 half double crochets into that center of that magic ring. So there is 1, 2, 3, and then we are going to go all the way around until we have 9. Once we have 9, we are going to join our magic circle back together with the beginning to actually make it into a circle with a slip stitch join. Like I said, if you want to make this a little larger, you could do half double crochets into the center of your ring, but we're just going to do the half double crochets. One of the tricks is to pull that non-working end of your yarn tight, and then we're going to go into the top of that very first half double crochet that we made. We are not going to go into the top of the chain, but into that first stitch that we made. And here we will do that slip stitch join. After doing this, what we're going to do is we're going to chain 5. This is going to be your first point of your star. And it works pretty much the same as all the other ones, but we're going to do just a little bit, I don't want to say different, but where you attach it. So your first stitch in that first chain is a slip stitch. The second is a single crochet. The third is an extended single crochet. And then the last one is a half double crochet. Then what you're going to do is you're back at that base and you are going to skip one of the stitches. And since we started with that starting chain, we are going to skip the next stitch, not the one that you did the chain in, and we're going to do a slip stitch. Then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to do a chain 5 again, and we're going to go back down that chain with a a slip stitch for the first one, single crochet for second, extended single crochet for the third, and half double crochet. And the reason that I said it's a little different is because of where you started. You started in that first stitch, so that's why the skip looks a little different. And you're just going to keep doing this all the way around for all of the points that you're going to make for this star. The one thing that I do want to mention to you is that when you're done, your star points might curl up a little bit. One way that you can get them to lay flat is you can use this as an applique and attach it to different to your actual crochet work, or what you can do is you can wet your yarn and stretch it out and put pins in the end so that you have really sharp laid out points. It's up to you. In other projects I've used starch. You can give them a little heat, maybe to melt the fibers a little bit, but this is I'm just going to show you how to make the star. I'm not going to go through all of that. So once we get done, right now we have 4 of the points and we're going to be coming to the end. This is really rather quick to do. There are different ways to make stars. This is just one way that I wanted to show you. And as we finish up this last point, we're just going to finish up with that same pattern we had going down our chain 5. And then when we get to the end, what we're going to do is we're going to skip and we're going to slip stitch into the base of that first chain 5 so that it makes a real nice closure for your star. But you know, however works best for you on you closing projects, making it nice and tight. And you can see the the ends are not exactly straight. Like I said, I gave you some options on how to do that. But this measures roughly to 2.5 inches, so it is a smaller star, but it will get you started on making some stars for any work that you're doing. So I appreciate you stopping by Epic Yarn Gems. As always, peace, love, and happiness to you all. Don't forget to check me out on other social media. Share out this video. I truly appreciate all the support. And again, thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you again on the channel learning some new crochet stitches and projects and sharing what you've done. So take care.